Anu, how are you?
I'm feeling well.
Well,
Yes,
you are under the weather.
yes. Last few days I didn't go to school because I'm feeling sick.
Then why you said like I'm feeling well?
Now I'm feeling well. Not like that.
Last 3-4 days you
Go
did
to-
not go to school. Okay? And even last few months you was absent most of the time.
Yes.
Why?
You know already I'm sick.
You are sick few days, but there was another reason.
But I don't know that.
Like Christmas holidays, in
Yes.
your school there was no holiday, but you
So-
did not go to school because of me.
Without you, I didn't.
Without holiday, you had taken holidays.
So without you.
Means, but there was not holiday, but you had taken.
Yes, I know.
Yes, then dinner done.
Yes.
Did you take what you have eaten?
Curry and I don't know. I'm not sure what is the name of that curry.
Peanut curry something. No?
Oh, I don't know that.
And bhakri.
Yes. Someone eat tomato at dinner.
Okay. Tomato means raw tomato.
Yes.
We
yes.
have eaten. Okay.
You.
It means me. But last day you had.
Me too. What about you?
I am on the top of the world.
Great. How is your school going?
Going well. All things are going great because there is no issue and 10th standard is not there. Even 9th. 9th because last 2 days before exam has finished. So few days they have holidays. 10th standard board exam is going on. Board exam. So if you are in 10th standard, you just do study, break a leg for your exam.
Guys, break a leg means good luck.
Yes, that is the idiom.
In last video I have told.
It means few idioms you had told in one videos.
Yes.
What was that?
First was a piece of cake. It's really easy to do. Then break a leg, good luck. What we say now? What the next? Hit a snack.
Hit the sack.
Hit the sack.
Means
Go to bed.
next.
Next, I...
Forget.
Yes, but it was something that I have broken on. Can you guess it? No!
Then
That was one word. Anyone don't know. Consider something else.
what was that? Then tell me.
I forget.
Okay, then see you soon in next video. If you like this conversation, just random like, share and subscribe
Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
See you soon in the next video. Good night.